letting it bother you. Just let it go. Your mind can only take so much. Your self-respect gotta be stronger than your feelings. The heaviness you feel right now will not last forever. Keep holding on. You are stronger than now. Focus on you. People come and go. There's no one to impress. Life well for you. Improve for you. Most don't get it too. It's not what we have in life, but who we have in our lives that matters. Be proud of who you are. That other people think doesn't matter. Be proud of yourself. No one knows the battles you have fought in silence. You cannot grow in the same place that broke you. Stop watering connection that don't water you back. A good life is when you smile often, dream big, laugh a lot, and realize how blessed you are for what you have. Sometimes the quietest season prepares you for the loudest breakthroughs. People do not decide their features, they decide their habits, and their habits decide their features.